Alright, hey guys, we are now going to be doing the 2023 free response questions for set 2. Alright, set 2 is what we're going to be doing. Question 1. Anderson is a typical firm that is manufacturing good G in a constant cost, perfectly competitive market. Anderson Company is currently earning positive economic profit. Alright, so the first thing they told us is that they are in a constant cost industry. That means that their ATC is going to be the same. It's not going to change. They are also a perfect competition, which means price equals MR. All right. And then they're earning a positive economic profit, which means price is greater than ATC. Now, what is true about the relationship between accounting profit and economic profit if Anderson Company currently incurs both explicit and implicit cost in production? So remember that accounting profit is going to be where total revenue minus your explicit cost. And then economic profit is going to be wherever your total revenue minus your explicit minus your implicit. So when they say that you're doing explicit and implicit cost in production, okay, what does this mean? Well, you're going to be subtracting your implicit cost more, so therefore your accounting profit will always be more than your economic profit. So that's what we need to write here. We need to write something that says that the accounting profit will always be more than the economic profit. So right here, what must be true about the relationship if they both, okay, so what you would say is that accounting profit would be greater than economic profit. Okay, now they don't say explain, so that's the only thing we need to say is that the accounting profit is going to be more. Okay. Now, part B, correctly draw side-by-side graphs for the market and Anderson Company. Show each of the following. We're going to need to do the price, quantity. We're going to need to do the profit maximizing price for the firm, and then we're going to need to show the profits. Okay. So, as you know, for the market, it was just supply and demand. So we're going to have a demand curve, supply curve, P, M, Q, M. And then we need the firm. So I like to put that this is the market and that this is Anderson Company to let them know that they are different. So price, okay, quantity. So remember, it's the same price. So I'm going to put dashes, PF, and that's my demand, which is also my marginal revenue. I need a marginal cost curve. And this right here, MR equals MC, is my QF. And then we're making profits. Remember, profits is where my price is more than my ATC. So I need to draw my ATC down here. ATC. Then the next part was saying the area representing the profits shaded completely. So that would be here. We find our quantity, price, and then we need to find our ATC, which happens right here at this quantity. So it's this rectangle right here. So I'm going to shade this completely. And then I'm going to put a little arrow to let them know that I know that this area is my profits. Okay. Part C. On your graph in part B, show what will happen to each of the following if the market for good G adjusts to the long-run equilibrium. We're going to label the new price and quantity for both firm and the market. So, are you making profits? Yes. Since you're making profits, what happens next? Firms will enter. Firms will enter. If firms enter, that means supply goes up. Supply 2, I now draw the new equilibrium, P2 Q2. So now this is my new price, and they want it P star, and that's going to happen right here at this point right here. Q star. You're probably wondering, why is it there? Because remember, we want price equals ATC, and you also know that in perfect competition, price equals MC. So we need ATC equals MC. So we need that point right there where it's equal. So this is what my market is going to look like. I'm going to be decreasing the price because of the increase in the supply. So that's all I need to do for part C. Part D, assume the production for good G creates benefits for a third party. Given this situation, will the market equilibrium be greater than, less than, or equal to the allocated efficient quantity? So because it's creating benefits, because the market is producing here at this quantity, it's creating more benefits. So guess what? If you are creating more benefits, that means right now you are under allocating. You are under allocating because your market is producing more benefits, but your market is not at the social optimal. Okay, so right now you are producing less than the allocated efficient quantity because your marginal social benefits are greater than your marginal social cost. So for DI, that's what you would say. You would say less than because marginal social benefits are greater than the marginal social cost. Now, part double I, government takes action that corrects the externality in the market for good G. As a result of the government action, does total economic surplus increase, decrease, or stay the same? As you know, when you're not at your social optimal, you have deadweight loss. So if the government corrects this action, are you at the social optimal? Yes. Do you have deadweight loss? No. So what happened to the total economic surplus? It has to increase. Okay, so you would say increase because deadweight loss decreases. Okay, so that's what I would say for question 1 on this exam here. I will be moving on to question 2 in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.